We have 27 gateways, so those are the cities in which the flight originates. The most recent one was JFK, added in December of 2014, and we're excited that ARKE will be launching Eindhoven in November of this year. A total of 27 of these wonderful cities and serviced by 15 partners. In the left corner, you see Star Alliance, SkyTeam, and oneworld. All our airline partners are member of either one of these alliances, giving us more opportunities. It might take one additional stop to get to Curaçao, but you can get to Curaçao. Our traffic overview for 2014, I wanted to highlight that our international departures grew by 4% in 2014, coming in at 554,000. Our domestic program, so the departures to the other islands of the former Dutch Caribbean, that decreased by 10%, and the transfers also decreased heavily last year with 25%, mainly caused because of Venezuela. We ended up last year 3% lower than we ended up in 2013, but we do believe and are positively looking towards the future. Why do I say that? If we just once again go to the analysis of last year, international departures grew by 4%, a lot of additional service out of Amsterdam. ArkeFly did a fantastic job marketing the Dreamliner, that people are actually asking, when are you flying the Dreamliner to book a ticket to Curaçao? Every Dreamliner aircraft gives us 30% more seats compared to the 767 from ArkeFly. KLM also in November launched a pilot project. We're working with them, opening up other markets than Amsterdam for us, and the flights are doing really well. Those are the additional flights on Mondays and Wednesdays. They run through the season. They will be stopped in the summer, even though they'll add a couple of the flights. In the summer season, they will be here again next winter, and our hope is after 2 years, they'll become permanent. So we'll have 9 flights out of Amsterdam from KLM. On a permanent basis, 7 of those are at an earlier departure, and twice a week they'll have later departures, giving us great exposure to the German market especially.